In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an intake process in Airtable. We'll begin at airtable.com. Once you're in, choose the base where you want to collect incoming requests. If you already have an operations or projects base, that's a great place. Otherwise, any base where your team tracks work will do. Inside that base, use the plus icon to add a new table. Choose to start from scratch so you're working with a clean slate. Name this table Intake Requests and save it. This will be the home for every submission that comes through your form. Next, let's set up the fields that make your intake useful and consistent. Add an email field and label it Email. Using the dedicated email type ensures entries are validated and easy to contact later. Create the field to lock it in. Now add a single line text field called Request Type. This gives submitters a short way to categorize what they need. Create the field. Add a long text field named Description. This is where people can provide context and details so your team can act without back and forth. Create the field. Now add a single select field named Status. Add options for new, in progress, and completed. Single select keeps your workflow tidy and filterable, and you can color code each option for quick scanning. Create the field. Finally, add a created time field named Date Submitted. This automatically timestamps each record as it's added, which is perfect for tracking SLAs and reporting. Create the field to finish the table setup. With the structure in place, head to Forms. Choose Build It Yourself to open the form builder, then go to the tutorial section and select the Intake Requests option to get started quickly. Rename the form so it's clear to your audience, matching your table name if you like. Click Create Form to open the editor. Before you publish, take a moment to fine-tune the form. You can reorder fields to lead with email and request type, add brief helper text to clarify what belongs in description, and decide which fields should be required. When everything looks right, click Publish. Now, copy the form link. You can send it to clients, embed it on your website, or share it via email or social channels. Every submission will automatically create a new record in your intake requests table, complete with the status and timestamp so your team can triage, track progress, and close the loop efficiently. That's your streamlined Airtable intake process ready to put to work.